Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your system can use new voices and then move immediately into settings. Once done, open time and language and go to speech so you can manage voices directly. You'll choose Manage Voices, click Add Voices, pick the language and specific voice you want, then press Install. Make sure you allow any language pack downloads. That step provides the voice files. This beginning gets the voice onto your machine quickly, so you can configure it next. Once the voice is installed, set it as the default in speech settings so apps pick it up. Make sure to preview the voice with the built-in sample to check tone, pronunciation, and volume. Tweak volume and speech rate as needed. If available, select the higher quality neural or enhanced option for more natural results, and decide whether you need offline files or will stream online. Use Narrator or a simple TTS test app to run phrases and confirm the voice behaves as expected. To finish, restart any app that uses TTS, and if necessary, reboot Windows so the new voice registers system-wide. If you're developing, update your speech SDK or app configuration to reference the new voice identifier. Make sure input and output devices are correct when testing. If the voice doesn't appear or sounds wrong, reinstall the language pack, confirm region and speech language match, and run Windows Update. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.